Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to bleach your weave, your virgin hair at home. I have a comb, as you can see, a brush, and I have my developer, and I have my powder and my mixing bowl, as you can see. And I have my hair, that's my virgin hair. I sell that hair if you want to buy it. I have some foil. Just use one for now. It's a consistency that is pancake like, you know, when you're making pancakes, that kind of a consistency. Okay, so I'm just doing the ends. Okay, and it's a very quick process. It should not take us forever to do this. Okay, I'll turn it around and see whether we need to add any more. Thank you for watching, guys. Now I'm done, and I'll just cover my bundles. Now after an hour, we'll just rinse very well. This is the last bundle that I did last, and you can see how pretty it is. That's the color I was looking for. I don't think I'll even color this hair because it turned out perfectly. The first bundle is not as bright and beautiful as the last one. I'm guessing it's because probably I didn't use as much bleach as I should have used. And the closure is okay, but not as beautiful as the second bundle. So I might redo this all over again at some point, maybe not now. I'll first put it on and see how it will be on my head. But make sure you clean them very well. I'll rinse them out, and then I'll use a shampoo. You see how pretty it is? So pretty, so pretty. I'll use my conditioner and shampoo and wash them, and then dry them, and later on I will install the hair in my head. Alright, I think yeah, I'm just rinsing, and yes. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed my clip about bleaching hair. So that's how my hair turned out, and